In this video, we will show you how to send one-time view photo on WhatsApp. One-time view photos on WhatsApp, it means the people that you send the pictures can only see the pictures one times. After the people see the pictures will gone. How to do that? First, you need to open your WhatsApp in here. Okay, this is my WhatsApp. Then you can select contact that you want to send one-time view photo. In here, to send one-time view photos, you can using attachment or using camera. For example, if you're using attachment, you can click this and then select the image you want to send by clicking gallery and click this, for example. To make sure this is one-time view photos, you need to click this until this icon is changed the color. You can see there and click OK. After that, you can also set the caption. Okay, then click send and make sure the color has been white like this and click send. So the photo will look like this. We will open this later in another phone, but you can also using this camera. Okay, we will open the result later. For example, look like this, and you can click this again, and this is the caption test 2. We will open the Regev phone. After that, click send. Okay, I will disconnect my phone here and connect to inbox in another phone so you can see how this works. Okay, I will disconnect first. And this is the Regev phones. You can see we have sent these two of the image. For example, the image 1, let's click one times. After that, we can click view. Now the image is appear, but you can see on our mirroring has been disabled because this is privacy. This is security, of course. Open it. After we open the file, it's just open it and cannot be clicked again. Okay, the number second again. I'm sorry, cannot viewing the pictures because this is protected by WhatsApp. You can see there. And after you open the pictures, if you take back in here, the pictures look like this and cannot be opened again. And that's all. Tutorial how to send one-time view photo on WhatsApp. Hope this video helpful for you.